What's up, guys? Roland here. This time on 3D NerdStop, we're going to make some fidget spinners, and then we're going to give some away. Alright guys, here's the model we're going to print out this week. Now there's a whole bunch of these fidget spinners on Thingiverse. I mean, there's a lot of them out there if you just dig around through Thingiverse. This is the one I happened to pick. You'll find a link to it down in the description down below. So this is the one we did. So we'll download the file as usual. Once we have it downloaded, we will then import it into Cura. Now as you can see, it gives you a bunch of different choices here. And the one I picked was the version 2 ready to print. That gives you the spinner and the finger pads. Okay, I'm going to print this 2 up, so we'll just say okay, we'll multiply it by 1, and then we'll just center them a little bit here on the build plate. Okay, fairly simple. So let's go over our print settings real quick. Okay, we're going to do our quality, our layer height at 0.2, our shell thickness at 1.2, our top and bottom thickness at 1.2, our fill density at 20%. We're going to do our print speed at 60, our print temperature at 200, and our bed temperature at 60. We don't need any support material in this, so we won't use any. So we are going to print this 2 up. This is going to take roughly an hour and 21 minutes to print the 2 of them, and it's only 5.29 meters of material, or 16 grams. So it's not a whole lot of material. So we'll save this off to an SD card, take it over to a printer, get the printer heated up, and get her printing. Alright guys, here's our spinners. As you can see, it came out beautiful and it works well. Now the one thing you'll notice different about this spinner is the center caps. The original center caps that come with the print that you saw the print make were a little too easy to squeeze too hard and make them rub the sides of the bearings so it didn't spin freely. Joe Telling, the 3D printing nerd, designed his own spinners with his own center caps. Okay, now I took the design that he used to make his center caps in Fusion 360 and designed my own based off of his models. You'll find a link to his video in the description down below. So by doing that, these work really well. They don't rub. So they do work really well because of that. Alright, so on mine, I have 3 industrial bearings. These are real cheap bearings for weights on the outside. And then I use a skateboard bearing on the inside. I'm actually using Bones Red skateboard bearings on the inside. These are really nice, high quality skateboard bearings. They are not ceramic bearings, but they are good quality. Now with skateboard bearings, the more you spin them, the more they break in, the better they spin. So the more you play with this, the better it will become. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I actually have 4 of these. As you can see, I have 2 yellow, I have an orange, and I have a glow in the dark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give these 4 spinners away. One spinner to one, well, I'm going to give all 4 of them away to 4 lucky winners, 1 spinner each. Okay? So we'll have 4 lucky winners that'll win a spinner. And the way you can enter that is by Gleam. You'll find a link to it in the description down below. You can get enter Gleam. I'm going to allow 3 entries per person, 1 for subscribing to my channel, 2 for watching a video, and 3 for watching a 3rd video. So pretty simple. You get to watch 2 videos and subscribe to the channel and you get 3 entries. The contest will run for approximately 2 weeks. At the end of that, I will draw 4 lucky winners, and when I say I will draw, Gleam will select 4 lucky winners. Each person can only win once, so you can only win one of them. The color you get will be random. You don't get to choose your color. I'll just stick them in envelopes. I'll probably pre-stick them in envelopes and just write the names and addresses on them. When you are winned, you'll be notified by email. You'll have 48 hours to respond with your shipping information. Okay? If you do not respond within that 48 hours, I will then disqualify you and select a new winner, and then send them an email. Once I have 4 winners, I have all 4 shipping informations, then I will make a short video announcing the 4 winners. Okay? So that's what we've got, and that's what we're going to do. Alright, so thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. Please leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, have a great day, and good luck.